TULA Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser, Deep Pore Cleansing Wash, removes makeup, nourishing and hydrating, pack of 2, 6.7 ounce. Clean and effective, this foaming gel cleanser goes deep into pores to remove impurities and helps condition skin, without stripping or overdrying. Gentle and nourishing, contains our signature probiotics to leave skin looking nourished and balanced. Good for all, suitable for all skin types and all ages, excellent for dry skin. TULA and PROBIOTICS, TULA is the leader in probiotic skincare. We combine powerful probiotics and skin superfoods for healthy, balanced and glowing skin. All our products are clean, clinically proven, and effective. Worry-free return policy, try TULA worry-free with our 30-day return policy. We stand behind our products and want you to love them as much as we do. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.